Then how to teach Islamic.
It is a very good and important concern that we teach children about Islam. Here are some ways you can teach children about Islam.
Teaching the Holy Quran. Teaching children the Holy Quran is very important. You can explain to them the meaning of Arabic words and expose them to Quranic stories and anecdotes.
Teaching prayer. Teaching children to pray is very important. You can tell them the rules of prayer, the orders of ablution and the virtues of prayer. Start teaching them the practice of prayer from an early age so that they can make it a habit.
Training in moral. Islam encourages us to train good moral. Teach children the importance of honesty, fairness, forgiveness, helping others and other moral principles.
Biography of the Prophet BBUH. Encourage children to read and listen to the biography of the Prophet BBUH. You can tell them instructive stories about the Prophet's good manners, teaching of monotheism, justice and love.
Teaching Islamic calendar. Also teach children about Islamic calendar. You can tell them about Islamic months, fast and festival.
Tell religious stories. It is very important to tell religious stories to children. Apart from the biography of the Prophet, you can also tell the stories of Hazrat Ibrahim, Hazrat Musa, Hazrat Jesus, and other prophets. From these stories they can understand Islamic principles and values.
Masjid education. Teach children about the importance of masjid and the order. You can teach them to pray, as well as the layout of the mosque, the rules of attention, etiquette and respect.
Islamic qasidas and nuts. Teach children Islamic qasidas and nuts. It helps them develop a love and relationship with religious knowledge.
Appreciation of Islamic objects. Make children appreciate Islamic objects. You can tell them about Holy Quran, hijab, masjid, adhan, Madina Munawara so that they understand their importance.
Teaching God's love and monotheism. Also teach the children about God's love and monotheism. You can explain to them the attributes of God, His mercy, rewards and principles of gratitude to Him.
All these methods will help you to teach children about Islam. Also, remember to teach children the principles of Islam with respect and bring them up in a positive light.
That's good, Ollie. It's a great information for kids, really.
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, take care of yourself.